So in this video, I will explain to you on those 3 things that I've mentioned in the first video in a song. All right, so in my first video, I talked about breath support, vocal placement, and articulation. So we're going to use these 3 things in a song. And the song that we will go through is How Great Is Our God by Chris Tomlin. Now, we will only focus on the chorus, and you will see how I will include those 3 things in a song. Okay, so we talk about breathing. Now, as you look at the lyrics, okay, the lyric says, "How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God, and all will see how great is our God." So how do you include breathing in that? Okay, so when you sing that song, let's try it, okay? How great is our God? Breathe. Sing with me, how great is our God? Breathe. And all will see how great. Breathe. How great is our God? So make sure that you sing on that breath. So as you're breathing in, how great. Okay, so you give it that support for you to sing this song. Okay, go line upon line. All right, so next we talk about the proper vocal placement. Now, as you all know, by now you will know where your vocal placement is. Okay, so how do you find that? You just hum. And then we sing the song. How great is our God. If there are times where you are singing and then you feel that itchiness and that strain on your voice, that means that you are not singing on that proper vocal placement. So if that happens, okay, you sing the entire song by just placing your hand here. How great is our God. So the more that you do that, you release tension from your throat, and then you place it right here, so that it doesn't hurt or strain your voice, and it helps you sing with ease. Now we move on to articulation. Now it's important that you articulate, okay? You pronounce the words of the song. And articulation brings out clarity in singing with the vowels and consonants in each of the song. So there are some who sing in a closed mouth position, like, for example, how great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? And then you have the open mouth position. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? So there's actually different types. You can either sing in a closed mouth, an open mouth, and every singer is different. So there's some singers who sing in closed mouth, but they deliver it flawlessly. And there's some who sing with open mouth. So you can choose whichever way that you want to sing, but make sure to articulate. Articulation is very important. I pray that this helped you, and I will see you in the next video.